Quick one. If towing still feels like guesswork and crossed fingers, you're in the right room. This is all things electronics. And today we're walking through real Towbar gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon. Not theory, not hype, just tools that fix noise, sway, theft, and bad setups before they ruin your day. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly upgrades, the Hitch step from Reese Towpower. This thing is exactly what it sounds like, a solid step that slides into your receiver so you're not climbing into your truck bed like it's a parkour challenge. Best way to use it is simple. Install it full-time if you load gear often, and lock it so it stays put. Reviews are consistently positive because it's sturdy and does exactly what people expect. The few negatives usually come from off-road drivers who don't like losing clearance. Price-wise, it lives around $35 to $55, which most buyers say is worth it almost immediately. Once people get comfortable with access, they realize towing isn't just about reaching things, it's about balance. That's where the adjustable ball mount from Way Safe comes in. This isn't just a hitch, it's a confidence tool. It lets you dial in the correct height and even shows tongue weight on some models. Best use is when you tow different trailers and want them level every time. Reviews are strong, especially from people who were tired of guessing. The downsides? It's heavier than basic hitches and costs more, but that's the trade-off for precision. Expect $180 to $300 depending on the model. Then there's braking, something beginners underestimate fast. The brake controller from Tekonsha is one of those tools that quietly keeps you safe. It manages trailer braking through your phone on newer models, which sounds fancy but actually makes setup easier. Best way to use it is to take time calibrating it properly for your trailer weight. Reviews are very positive on performance and smooth braking. Complaints usually focus on app setup being confusing the first time. Price usually lands around $130 to $170. If this already feels like information you wish you had earlier, lock in. Subscribe to All Things Electronics. This is what we do. Once you start traveling farther, storage becomes the next problem. The Hitch cargo carrier from MaxxHaul is a go-to because it's simple and widely trusted. It turns your Towbar into extra trunk space. Best way to use it is with proper tie-downs and a weatherproof bag. Reviews love the added capacity, especially for road trips. Complaints usually point to rust if left untreated, and some flex under heavy loads. Price is usually $90 to $150, which makes it one of the most cost-effective space upgrades. Then there's recovery gear, and this is where towing meets real-world problems like mud, snow, and bad decisions. The Shackle hitch receiver from Rhino USA turns your receiver into a proper recovery point. Best use means pairing it with rated shackles and straps. No shortcuts. Reviews consistently praise build quality and confidence during pulls. The only negatives are weight and size, which honestly come with the territory. You're usually looking at $40 to $70. Now let's talk theft, because someone eventually learns this lesson the hard way. Hitch locks from Master Lock are basic but effective. They replace your hitch pin with a locking one, so accessories don't disappear. Best way to use them is anytime you park in public or overnight. Reviews say they're reliable and easy to use. Complaints usually mention rust over time if neglected. Price is friendly, around $15 to $30. Quick pause. If you're still watching, you're exactly who this channel is for. Subscribe to All Things Electronics so you don't learn this stuff the expensive way. If you want more durability and less worry about corrosion, that's where Trimax comes in. Their stainless steel hitch locks are built for long-term use. Best use is for people who leave gear attached frequently. Reviews love the corrosion resistance and solid feel. Complaints usually revolve around the premium price compared to basic locks. Expect $30 to $60. Wiring is another thing beginners don't think about until it's late. The 4-flat to 7-blade wiring kit from Hopkins solves compatibility issues between vehicles and trailers. Best use is when upgrading trailers or switching vehicles often. Reviews praise reliability and weather sealing. Some negatives mention stiff wiring on cold installs. Pricing usually sits around $40 to $70. Finally, for people towing campers or heavier trailers, sway becomes the silent enemy. The weight distribution hitch from Anderson Hitches is designed to reduce sway and improve stability without the bulk of traditional systems. Best use is careful installation and proper tensioning. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive for ride quality. Complaints usually come from improper setup rather than the product itself. Expect $450 to $600, which sounds high until you tow with it. Bottom line, Towbar gadgets aren't about looking experienced. They're about becoming experience faster. The right tools turn towing from stress into control. This is all things electronics, and now you know where to start.